Meaning of legality.
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 Legality. Legality refers to the state or quality of being in accordance with the law. It is a concept that refers to the degree to which an action, decision, or behavior is lawful, permitted, authorized, or legal. Legality is an important consideration in many domains, including business, government, and personal affairs, as it can impact the rights and responsibilities of individuals and organizations, as well as the outcomes of legal disputes. It is often used as a criterion for evaluating the validity or legitimacy of certain actions or decisions.